there are many desert safaris and camping available on Make My Trip and other portals, so you can choose the best one that is suitable for your budget. We chose the Sunrise Desert Resort. It does not have the swimming pool and all that, it's only on the notice board. We suggest you do your own research and select a package that includes the tent stay as well as the camel ride and jeep safari, because generally we felt that here the tourists are being fooled and they quote a lot higher than what the actual price is, so be careful. So that's the tent in which we stayed that night. Trust me, it is a non-AC tent, but at night it got so freaking cold.
We're gonna go for a camel ride and jeep ride. Let's see how it looks. இப்படி ஓட்டுறீங்க?
Daring jeep safari or jeep drive. Jeep drive. We have reached in the middle of the desert. So the next thing to do is click some pictures and get on going with the camel ride. I am actually a little scared. What about you?
Super scared.
Okay, let's see how it goes. We are now on the camel. I don't know if you can see it, but see this. It's scary.
Fun fact, our camel's name is Shah Rukh Khan. So yeah, meet Shah Rukh Khan. whom we are riding with. Actually, Shah Rukh Khan is taking us a ride on Thar Desert.
The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is a large arid region in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent. That's also the world's 17th largest desert and the world's 9th largest hot subtropical desert.
Hey, we're on top of a camel, and his name is Shah Rukh Khan.
शाहरुख खान
Shah Rukh Khan, देखिए कैमरा देखिए,
कमर ड्राइवर इब्राहिम खान
और आप इब्राहिम खान.
This was truly an experience for the both of us. We thoroughly enjoyed this beautiful and adventurous ride.
ढोल नगारा तो बिना रस बाजा झालरी है रोजाना हर रे यार दे माही रे मैना रो तो मेड़ियो घर जा
After witnessing that beautiful sunset, we were back at the camping site and we were welcomed with tikka and some amazing cultural shows.
जोड़ी रो जवाब नहीं जवाब नहीं रे जवाब नहीं जवाब नहीं रे जवाब नहीं अरे 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 झीड़ो न झीड़ो मेरा की मेला मेरे चुपचाप क्यों बैठे हो मगर दिल में जरूर कोई बात है संजना जी आप चुपचाप क्यों बैठे हो मगर दिल में जरूर कोई बात है अरे गाना तो हम लोग गा रहे हैं आपकी तालियों का इंतजार है दुखिया जी पिया मरी मरी जावा मैं दुखिया ही पिया मरी मरी जावा अजरे दुआ करूं मैं तेरी तेरी जावा तेरे सिवा मेरा कोई नहीं झूलेलाल तेरे सिवा मेरा कोई नहीं झूलेलाल सिद्धि दावा छमण दा सिकी समाज कलंदर हक मादम दस्त कलंदर लाल कलंदर अली हरदम दे अंदर सूफिया शाह कलंदर लक्ष्मणी बात बोल लक्ष्मणी लड़िया भोसा
छोटी छोटी गलियां नैरो स्ट्रीट है, कहाँ आना कहाँ जाना, ये लिविंग कोड है। रास्ता का सब फटाफट कोड है, इसके अंदर का
Hi all, welcome to Jaisalmer Fort. Jaisalmer Fort is one of the rarest forts in the whole world because it is one of the living forts in the world. So by living forts we mean at least 1/4 of the old city's population still resides within this fort. Let's see how it is inside. The Jaisalmer fort also goes by the name Sonar Quila, which means the golden fort, as it rises from the desert itself and seems to become one with the golden hues of the sand. The setting sun adds its own magic and shrouds the fort with mystic. Gadisar Lake was constructed in the 14th century by Maharwal Gadsi Singh to meet the water needs of his arid lands. We did have a little bit of time left, which we used to visit few of the remaining Havelis of Jaipur from the outside, like the Patoki Haveli, the Mandir Palace, etc. With that, we come to the end of our Rajasthan vlog series. Do check the playlist and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.